We just looked at modules and how to implement them. Modules provide a powerful feature, being the ability to add namespacing. Earlier, you saw how getters, actions, and mutations are added to the global namespace by default. We didn't really dive deeper than that, but we're going to do that now because you're going to see how to work with namespaces. I have prepared a small illustration showing what we've done so far. Having a block module without namespacing means that getters, mutations, and actions can just be accessed directly by their names. For instance, to invoke the getPosts getter, we will write this.store.getters.getPosts. Now suppose we have a user module, which has namespacing enabled, with the namespace being the same name of the module, although in lowercase. In that case, we would refer to the getters, mutations, and actions with a prefix of the namespace name, followed by a slash and then the name. So invoking a getter would involve accessing it with square brackets because of its name. Note that nested modules can be namespaced as well. For instance, if we had a block module with a nested posts module, then the namespace for the posts module would be block/posts. Perhaps you noticed that I didn't mention anything about the state. A module's state is already nested and is therefore not affected by namespaces. So accessing the state of a module is exactly the same as it would be without a namespace. Namespaces are useful for making modules more self-contained and reusable because they won't conflict with anything within the global namespace, potentially added by other modules. With this brief introduction, let's get back to coding.